Welcome everyone for this AutoCAD tutorial videos from Arjun Architectural Designs. How to set the units before starting any project. So go to new drawing. Setting the units for a project is very much important to give the dimensions. First, type unit shortcut for units. Press enter. You'll get the drawing units tab. Here, type of unit you can go for architectural if you are creating the plan in feet and inches. If you're creating the plan in meters, you can go for decimal. Click on architectural for feet and inches. Now, dimension you styles. Type DIMS, enter. You'll get the dimension style manager. So click on modify. Here, unit format for dimensions. It will be defaultly in decimal. If you are creating the plan in meters, now as you have set the units, basic units for architectural, here select the same thing, click architectural, you'll get the dimension in feet and inches. So precision you can give the precision how many you want, like from meters to inches. I'll select the default 0 feet and 0 1 by 16 inches. Press OK and click on set current. Now close. Now whatever plan you will create, it will be in inches and the dimensions you will get it in feet and inches. You can observe. So this is how you create, sorry, you set the units before creating any project or any plan. Thank you. Follow us for more such videos.